And here it is right here. Oh, no, that's not so big and so huge. Isn't that tiny and cute? But I have one that's just as big. Let's get to it. I'm going to show you this huge truck. It came with this little mini one. This is a really cool monster truck. You're going to love it. Doing an unboxing. We're going to show you how it looks, how it drives, and really cool, fun little toy. And it comes with this little one as well, which is really, really cool. All right, let's get to the video. Okay, guys, here it is. Here is the big brother from the little one that comes with it. This is really kind of cute. Look at this little thing. Here's a little one and the big one. Check this out. Isn't this cool? This is huge. This is a really huge. This is a Mega Wrex RC by Hot Wheels. Do an unboxing, and it comes just like you see here. Super easy. You don't have to buy batteries for this. I think you just throw a couple of AAA batteries in this, I'm pretty sure. The only thing I don't like about the remote control is just really, really tiny. Just really, really tiny, but it's good. Good for kids. Great. It's a huge truck. You can see it's got great suspension, big, huge wheels. Just a really cool off-road, really fun truck. It has you just charge it up with a USB charger here, USB-A charger underneath. Take a look at that 1 second. I'm going to take this all apart real quickly. I'm not going to bore you with that. I'm going to take it out of the box. I'm going to show you everything. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get to the video. You can see now I took it out of the box. You can see it is massive. This is a huge truck. This is a great, great toy for any boy, any girl. It doesn't matter. It's fantastic. My only pet peeve is a couple different things. Like I said, the remote control is tiny, and you can see in my hand, it is very, very small, but good for small hands. And if you're a bigger guy, maybe you're a bigger kid, maybe it could be an issue, but this is for 5+, just to let you know, it's rated for 5+, 2.4 gigahertz remote control. It does have left and right, turning back and forward. That's what it does. Very simple, simple controls. You can actually trim it out. A little trim right here so you can get, so it can go straight. Second pet peeve, AAA batteries. Not really a pet peeve, but I think they should have included the batteries and also maybe a screwdriver, because the reason why they should include a screwdriver is because in most toys that's a good idea. It's a screw. It's a Phillips screwdriver. So if you don't have one on you, could be a problem. So you just have to go get one. But AAA batteries, it's a little bit not as common. Most people don't have, but you know, no big deal. Just showing you the pros and cons in my book. That's all. So I have some AAA batteries here. Right here, and we're just going to pop these in. Now you do have to charge this up. Like I said, it's a USB-A in the back, and I'll show you that in 1 minute. Let's just pop this in here, and we'll just pop the screw on this little back here, and then you get your screwdriver and you tighten it up. Okay, and I think it's good for little ones. You don't want them to get into the battery compartment, but I think they should have included a screwdriver. That's just one of my pet peeves. They should include batteries and also a tool. If they're going to give you require a tool, I think they should probably include the tool. That's my opinion. So here it is right here. You can see it's small. It's blinking, so it's trying to queue up to the truck. That's what it's trying to do right now. Batteries on here. So let's take a look at the truck real quick together. Let's get this out of the way. What it does have is a handle. So when you're walking around and, you know, going from place to place, you can have a handle, which is cool. I like that. That's a really good feature when you carry it around. So you got a handle to carry it. It's got great suspension. Check out the suspension here, suspension package. You can see that suspension there. The only thing I haven't tested, I'm not sure if these are buoyant for water, so I wouldn't put this in water. You know, it looks like it could be cool for wet in the water. That would be great if they did like a you know, a water version. That would have been awesome, but I don't think that's that. I wouldn't try that, but you can go through mud and stuff. That's no problem. You can see the independent axle just turning like that. That's interesting. I like that. I like the look of this truck. It's very cool. It's got that really green, the Mega Wrex. Again, this is a Hot Wheels truck. You can see it's all branded on the wheels, Hot Wheels. And let's just turn it upside down. Let me just show you here. The bottom of this thing is a beast. You can see here. All right, you got the wheels here. You got the rear. Now, here's where the battery is. Now, you don't add batteries. The batteries are already installed. Okay, it is rechargeable. So you pop open the case, and you can see here, the USB-A cable. So you charge this up and get it going. So that's pretty much how that works. So we'll charge it up in a minute. We'll get it fully charged. We're going to take it outside and actually do a full review on that. On, off. Let's just put this on and boom. So there is some power in it. You can see it already just synced up automatically. Let me just put it right down real quick. And let's put it on the side. See if the remote's working. Let's take a look at that real quick. Let's see if we can get this to do anything. Let's see. Power's on. Oh, there you go. You can see that, right? Check that out. So you can see the rear. So another thing is that's not four-wheel drive. So that's another thing. I wish it was four-wheel drive. That would have been like super awesome, right? Super torqueful, a lot of torque. But this does, I did a review on one last year. And these things have a lot of torque. So just be careful. We got the differential so you can see one side moves. So I wish that was least locked, but it's not, but that's just the way it is. You got the reverse, you got the forward, and you got the turning of the wheel. And it is pretty responsive. As you turn, it'll just go with it. You can see that. So you get some full control. It's not looks like a full, dead on turn. It'll just give you that control, and it goes right back. Again, you can turn it. You can see that. Goes right back. And that way. All right, so we're going to fully charge this up. We're going to take it out on the road. Hey, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like this type of content. We do all kinds of cool stuff on the 1 minute. We do sometimes a little bit longer than a minute because I just want to show you all the cool stuff that this has. It's hard to explain everything so quickly. I just want to show you this truck, and I think this is absolutely awesome. I absolutely love it. Let's take it outside and play with it. Okay, guys, you can see I'm outside right now, and I have the truck set up on the grass, all charged up, and here is remote control. So the remote control goes to sleep automatically when you don't use it. To get waking up, just tap it. And you can see it wakes right up. You can see here. There you go. And now it's ready to go. So let's drive this thing around a little bit. Just see, I'm on the grass. That's challenging. You can see that. That's just, all right, so let's just drive this a little bit and see how it goes. Turn the wheel that way. Very cool. So you can see it's got some good power. It's got quite a bit of torque there. It's got a good steering ratio, like I told you before. It's got that right here. You can see that, right? Then you can adjust. See how you can adjust that? So I can adjust the pitch a little bit. So it'll just straighten out. Let's just take a ride here. Let's just go this way and head forward. Cranking down the hill. Going over all kinds of debris and branches and everything, because it's really bumpy back here, so you can see that. That's pretty cool. That's moving right along, cranking. I'm running after it. So we're just going to bounce off the grass here. Let's see what happens. You can see that thing flying right now. It's really cranking. Let's go up here. Bam. So you can see it just climbs up all kinds of things. No problem whatsoever. Look at that. All right. You can see how it's just going over all kinds of debris. Just plenty of torque. Just no problem. Over branches, over trees, over cones, over grass. Just super easy. Check this out. Wow, plenty of power. You kids are going to love this. All right, guys, so hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I definitely highly recommend this toy. There'll be a link down in the description, of course. And like I said, this is a Costco item. You can go to Costco directly and get it, or I'll leave a link down below. Right here, you can see a link for that. Also, there might be a little link over here as well. Check it out. I think it's a fantastic item. Everything I raised with my channel actually goes back into the channel so we can do more videos like this here. So I appreciate your time as always. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you at the next video.